In this tutorial, we'll have 5 examples on basic calculations with absolute values. So in our first example, we have -2 plus 5. We have the absolute values of -2 plus 5. Now the absolute value of -2 is simply 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. In our second example, we want to find the absolute value of 3 minus 10. So first we work inside the parentheses. So 3 minus 10 is equals to -7. And the absolute value of -7 is simply 7. In our third example, we have a lengthier example, and we'll work in each of the parentheses separately before finding the final answer. So first we have 3 minus 7, which is equal to -4. Then 7 minus 11, which is also equal to -4. And then 3 minus 11, which is -8. And when I simplify further, I have the absolute values as 4 minus 4 plus 8. Notice that this middle term does not become negative, but I simply bring down the negative. But the absolute value of -4 is equals to plus 4. And that leads me to my final answer of 8. In our next example, we have an abstract example, where we want to find the absolute value of a minus b, where a is smaller than b. So for example, a can be 3 and b can be 7. And if I say a minus b, it will be 3 minus 7, which is equals to -4. And the absolute value of -4 is simply 4. But how we rewrite that in an abstract form is we have b minus a as our final answer. Let us look at another abstract example. Let's say we have a minus b minus c plus a minus c. If 0 is smaller than a is smaller than b, and b is smaller than c. So from our previous example, we have learned that a minus b would be b minus a minus c minus b plus c minus a. So I'm building my knowledge on the absolute value which we found in our previous example. And now if I simplify, I have b minus a minus c plus b plus c minus a. And when I simplify, I have 2b minus 2a. So those are some basic calculations which we can do with absolute values.